and a whole bunch of people got, well, had flash flooding and they died. And it's definitely a very morbid thing and heartbreaking, because I've camped on this river previously when I was with the Scouts, and back then didn't have cell phones. Wouldn't have known, wouldn't have gotten any type of emergency alerts on a cell phone or anything. Just would have woke up and found out that surrounded by water, and since it's flash flooding through a canyon, I mean, it's whitewater raft. It's whitewater at that point.